Okay, so quick update. I just wanted to give you another video showing you that I have effectively, fixed some of these issues. So before we were looking at that same rise file and the 4 to 5. So let me just show you here. Well, first of all, because I've disabled that user enabled thing, I don't have any issues now with the drag. See, I can move my mouse all over the place. Drag never shows up in random spots, just a simple cursor moving perfectly. That cursor thing I showed you in the other one, this is normally what it does. So you can see that's the only spot that I have that issue. Otherwise, I can go down to other spots. If I go down to a solo, that's all good. Does it right there again. That's all fine. That's all good. So it seems to be only in that weird pinch harmonic thing. But see, that one's good. That one's good also. That one's fine. Just that weird pinch harmonic thing. No idea why. But all right. So, but I wanted to show you now for the loop. So I digress, but just figured I'd show you that thing. All right. So we got loop on, and I do have two different. I have a bar snap, and then I also have precision. So because it's kind of sometimes nice to have both. But all right, we'll hit play. Watch what happens. Perfect. Every time through. No issues. No issues. Gone. Perfect. So yeah. So I wanted to show you that I have solved that issue. Now if I clear the loop, and I mentioned before that once you get rid of that seek issue, the other one or with the user enabled thing, and what I showed you in that bug ticket that we still have out there is, well, as you notice, I was kind of clicking around. Normally when we get to that first three peach section, I would get out of here and the cursors would start getting lost immediately after this. But you can see I can click all the way through this thing now with the latest fix after reworking that. I think it was the click seek handler section, and everything works perfectly now. So there you go.